Welcome to our Introduction to Arduino course. In this series, we'll be exploring the world of microcontrollers and learning how to harness the power of the Arduino platform. Hello, and welcome. My name is Andre, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of electronics and programming. So, what is Arduino? Well, at its core, Arduino is a microcontroller board that enables us to interact with the physical world through a combination of hardware and software. It's an open-source platform, which means that anyone can access and modify the design, making it an ideal tool for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. But what sets Arduino apart from other microcontrollers is its ease of use. With just a few lines of code, you can build sophisticated projects, from automated lights and temperature sensors to musical instruments and robots. To program an Arduino, we use a software called the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or IDE for short. This software provides us with a simple and intuitive interface for writing and uploading code to the board. And the best part is that the Arduino IDE is available for free and runs on a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this course, we'll start by learning the fundamentals of the C programming language, which is the language used to program the Arduino board. We'll then move on to working with digital and analog inputs and outputs, communicating with other devices through serial, I2C, and SPI protocols, and finally, we'll dive into project development, where we'll put all our skills to the test. With the Arduino platform, the possibilities are endless. From controlling lights and motors to building your own musical instruments and robots, you'll be amazed at what you can create. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards becoming an Arduino master, grab your board, and let's get started.